Hey guys, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do the half double crochet. The half double crochet is used to make scarves and hats and blankets and just about anything you can think of. So this is what you do. To do the half double crochet stitch, you're going to start out very similar to how you would do a double crochet stitch. The first thing you're going to do is wrap the yarn around the needle and go through the next stitch over to your left, which is right here. And you can either pick up 1 or 2 pieces of yarn. It doesn't matter too much, but if you pick up 1, you'll end up with a bar design on one side of your project. If you pick up 2, you won't have that. So yarn over and pull through the 2 that you've just picked up. And now you should have 3 pieces of yarn on your needle. So you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 pieces. And that is your first stitch. So you continue the same process, yarn over, go into the next stitch on your left, pick up 1 or 2 pieces. I'm just going to pick up 2 for consistency. Yarn over, pull through those first 2. And yarn over and pull through the 3 pieces that should be left on your needle. Isn't that pretty? So you yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, pull through those, yarn over, pull through the remaining 3. And to do the last stitch, same thing, you yarn over, you pick up your 2, yarn over, go under those 2 you just picked up, yarn over, and go through the 3 that remain on your needle. And that is your first row. So you turn your project over to do the next row. So it's the same on this row. So you're going to yarn over and go through the next stitch to your left. So that is right here. And I've picked up 2. I'm going to yarn over and go through those 2. Yarn over and go through the last 3 that remain on the needle. And continue to work down the line. So yarn over, pick up 2, yarn over, go through those 2 you just picked up, yarn over, and go through the 3 that remain on the needle. So sometimes that happens. You drop what you're working on, so just pull out the pieces until you get back to where you started and start that stitch over. And there you have 2 rows of the half double crochet stitch.